Hi, today I will show you how you can build your own image classifier using TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open-source library for numerical computation, specializing in machine learning applications. All of the code I use in this video will be posted in the description so that you can easily reproduce the steps. To start off, you should have Linux downloaded. Open up the terminal. Step 1 is to download TensorFlow. To do this, type pip install TensorFlow. Step 2 is to clone the Git repository where all the code is. To do this, type git clone and use the link found in the description. Make your way into the TensorFlow folder. This is where we will be working. Step 3 is to download training images for the classifier. You can download whatever you want. Cars, animals, persons, flowers, etc. We will use flowers. Copy the code from the description and paste it into the terminal. This will download 4 folders containing flowers. These are the pictures that are used to train the classifier. Next step is to define some variables. These variables must be defined every time you close the terminal and open it back up. You can find the code in the description. Now, you have to train the classifier. Copy the text from the description and paste it into the terminal. Every time you want to make a new image classifier, you must retrain it. Make sure the path to the image directory is correct. The last step is to do the prediction. Let us download a random image of a daisy from the internet. Copy the text from the description and paste it into the terminal. For every image you want to predict, the only thing you must change is the path to the image file. As expected, the classifier can easily tell which flower it is. Let us repeat the same process, but now with dogs. I have downloaded several images of a boxer and a husky. The images are stored in 2 separate folders. Create a folder of its own, which stores all the folders containing the images. Now, repeat the training process and use the dog photos folder for training. It should also be noted that if you want to increase the accuracy, you can increase the training steps. Let us pick a random picture of a boxer from the internet. Run the prediction code with the path to the boxer image. As expected, the classifier can easily tell if it is a husky or a boxer. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you get any error message, and I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.